Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to fix disk utility problems on your MacBook. If your drive is not opening, showing errors, missing from Finder, or running very slowly, Disk Utility has built-in tools that can often repair the problem without installing extra software. Let's start with the fastest and easiest method using First Aid. First, open Finder. Then go to Applications, Utilities, and open Disk Utility. On the left side, you'll see your internal drive and any connected external drives. If you don't see all drives, click View near the top left and choose Show All Devices. This helps reveal hidden containers and partitions that may not appear in the default view. Now select the drive or volume that is causing problems, then click First Aid at the top. First Aid scans the disk for errors, checks the file system, and repairs common issues automatically. Click Run and wait for the process to finish. Depending on the drive size, this may take a few minutes. If Disk Utility says the volume appears to be OK, then the drive structure is healthy again. Another useful thing to check is whether the drive is simply unmounted. Sometimes a disk does not appear in Finder because it is not mounted properly. Inside Disk Utility, select the drive and click Mount at the top if the option is available. If the drive appears after mounting, then the issue was only with the connection and not the drive itself. If this video is helping you so far, please like the video and subscribe to DelftStack for more quick Mac and iPhone tutorials. Now let's look at another useful fix if an external drive still does not show up correctly. Disconnect the drive, reconnect it using another USB port if possible, and then reopen Disk Utility. Some external drives may also need extra power, especially larger hard drives, so reconnecting them can sometimes solve detection issues instantly. If the drive is visible but you still cannot use it properly, you can try repairing the parent disk instead of only the volume. In Disk Utility, select the topmost name of the drive rather than the smaller volume underneath it. Then run First Aid again. This checks the entire disk structure instead of only one partition. Now, if the disk continues failing, freezing, or showing repeated errors, you may need to erase and reformat it. Select the drive, click Erase at the top, choose a format like APFS for modern Mac-only usage, or ExFAT. If you also use Windows, then click Erase. Keep in mind this removes all files from the drive, so only do this after backing up important data. And that's it. You now know how to use First Aid, mount drives, show hidden devices, and repair common disk utility problems on your MacBook. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video.